A conditional sentence describes a possible situation and its result. We can call these hypothetical situations and probable outcomes. For example, we always have a condition or an if clause. If it snows tomorrow, and a result, I will work from home. We can see that the hypothetical situation has a possible outcome. If it snows tomorrow, I will work from home. Sometimes we say the outcome before the condition. In that case, we do not use a comma to separate the clauses. I will work from home if it snows tomorrow. Let's look at some more examples. If you encounter complex issues, don't hesitate to work with other team members for assistance. This sentence is a little different. We have a condition or an if clause if you encounter complex issues, but the outcome uses an instruction. Don't hesitate to work with other team members for assistance. Imperative sentences can sound very direct. This is because they usually don't have a subject and they begin with an infinitive verb, so please use them carefully. Sometimes we use conditional sentences to make offers. If you notice recurring issues or have suggestions for improvements, I'll be happy to listen to them and help in any way I can. The speaker is offering to help if that situation happens. Our support will be more efficient if our tools and software are up to date. Remember, when the outcome goes before the if clause, there is no comma in the sentence. Conditional sentences are an important part of everyday English.